This is yet another Dell 27-inch gaming monitor, model number S2719DGF. The 27-inch Dell S2719DGF features a 2560 by 1440p resolution and 144Hz refresh rate that can be overclocked up to 155Hz. The Dell monitor is basically the FreeSync version of Dell 2716DG. Let's get into design and features of this monitor. Like any other monitor worth its pixels, the Dell S2719DGF boasts a razor-thin bezel on the top and sides. Not only does such a design make the display look sleek, but it also allows for near seamless multi-monitor setup. The top side bezel are only 0.25 inches wide, and the bottom bezel is still impressively thin at only 0.5 inches wide. In addition to the sophisticated design, the Dell monitor is also simple and elegant. A small Dell logo centered on the bottom of the bezel is the only branding you'll see when seated in front of the monitor. The buttons to control the OSD are located on the right side, the bottom edge of the bottom bezel, which keeps them hidden from view but still easily accessible. Navigating the OSD menu is easy to use. The display bezels are black, but the stand and back of the display are dark grey blushes color. I'd call it gunmetal blue. The coating on the display itself is also unique. It offers a great compromise between a matte finish and a glossy coating. Colors aren't dull as they are typically matte finish screen, but it's not overly glossy and prone to glare and reflections. A hole in the stand helps you route cables out of the way. The S2719DGF doesn't skimp on ports. You get a display port and pair of HDMI ports. The DisplayPort is version 1.2, which is the standard, and one HDMI is 1.4 and the other one is 2.0 for greater bandwidth. In addition, you get 4 USB 3.0 ports. There are also separate audio ports for headphones and line out. Let's talk about the performance and gaming performance of this monitor. The games looks great at 2560 by 1440p resolution with a refresh rate of 144Hz. This monitor runs at either 60Hz or 144Hz, and if you are connected via DisplayPort, you can crank the refresh rate up to 155Hz. The gameplay was very smooth with no tearing or ghosting. This monitor comes with TN panel with lots of flex. Panel has a very narrow bezel on the top and side, which helps to maximize the screen area and makes it highly suitable for multi-monitor arrays with little border between the screen. The mount is simple yet sturdy with a wide range of adjustments. You get 5 inches of height adjustment, 20-60 degree of tilt adjustment, 90 degree of survival adjustment, or if you want, you can adjust the monitor up to landscape or portrait mode. The Dell 27-inch gaming monitor has some nifty features that will appeal to serious gamers who are concerned more with panel performance than anything else. The native 144Hz refresh rate and the 1 millisecond pixel response are the key features that will service that group, and the AMD FreeSync support if you're having an AMD graphic card. This Dell monitor is a previous version of S2721DGF. If you want to see the full review of the latest monitor, click on the link above. The package is worth the asking price. It starts with Dell's excellent build quality and elegant styling. With a solid stand offering a full range of adjustments, the S2719DGF looks every bit like a $500 monitor. If a 27-inch QHD monitor is in your future gaming monitor list, this Dell should be on your short list. Its strongest competition is MSI MPG27CQ. So your decision comes down to speed and color accuracy versus contrast. So that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading PC related videos quite often. Until I see you next time, bye for now.